Assalamualaikum folks, my name is Ayazuddin. You're watching the YouTube channel Mr. Cryptoearn. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add the short links in the Mid Faucet script. So similarly, people ask me for Y Faucet how to add short links in them. They also ask me how to add short links in the Mid Faucet script. So the procedure for both is same as I showed earlier in the Y Faucet script. If you want to view that video, there will be a card just about right now, and there will be a link in the description below for how you can access the Y Faucet video. So here I have logged in into the admin panel for the Mid Faucet script, and now we're going to click on short links. Now let's click on add short link, and then let's give it name as test, description as testing, leave API as blank for now, and now let's give 1 as the amount which will be given to the user, and IP count and the position as 11. Now once you have given all of this information, here is where we give all the information of our short link site. So for the short link site, I have chosen exe.io. This is because I already had the account of it. And go to your targeted shortlink site, the shortlink site which you want to use, then go to the tool section and click on developers API key. Once that you're going to see the API token, you're going to copy that back to the site, and then you're going to paste the API over here. And now in the URL section, you're going to copy this whole URL before your destination link. So just about with the is equal to is the part which you need. Now copy it, go back to the admin panel, and you're going to paste it. Now you're going to open a curly bracket, then you are going to type URL, and then you're going to close that curly bracket. This is the structure of the short link URL which you need to give over here. Now you're going to click on add, and as you can see, the short link has been added. So let's go to the user account and now verify if the short link is working or not. So let's go to the short link section. So as you can see that the test short link is already given over here, and the description is testing. Let's click on claim and see if all of our changes have been working or not. So you will be redirected to the external site. You will be redirected to exe.io. So let's wait for it and see if it redirects us to the exe.io short link or not. And as you can see, it has redirected me to the exe.io short link, so we can verify that everything is working. So this was all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.